This is my third episode in which you can see the classification of compressor and where it is used. There are 14 to 15 categories that are there based on the frequency of cycle, whether it is single or double acting. Single acting and double acting are used in industrial. Single acting you can see with a low pressure or portable, which is portable compressor which are used in petrol bunk also, that is single acting. And then next one is the nature of cycle, whether it's single stage or double stage. Single stage also comes under the category of low pressure category. Double stage is which is used in industrial application where intercoolers are used and aftercoolers are used for the double stage. And with the moving part, whether it is a reciprocating or centrifugal or rotary compressor. Reciprocating compressor are normally used for normal high pressure and volume. When volume is very high, we'll go for centrifugal compressors with multiple stage, and rotary compressors are where rotary vane and screw compressor comes in the rotary category. Then based on the duty, whether it is low pressure or medium pressure or high pressure. Low pressure are normally portable, which are used as I said earlier, used in the petrol bunk for cleaning the air pressure like that. And medium pressures are used for single stage normally used in sandblasting and spray painting, and high pressure which is used in all industries. Then come to the drive, whether it is direct drive or power driven. Then prime mover, which is used to run which is used as a prime mover, steam driven and gas, the engine or diesel or which is the motor. Then placement of air cylinder, whether it is placed vertical or horizontal or radial or angle. Based on the availability of the area, they will go for vertical or horizontal or radial or angle. Normally we use horizontal only. And if it is more stages are there, then the horizontal will be placed in parallel it will be connected. The number of power cylinders, whether it is single cylinder or multiple cylinder, 2 or 3 will be there, that is comes under this category. Then degree of compression for steam driven, whether it is single or compound, that will come in the degree of compression for this steam driven as a prime mover in the compressor. Then method of cooling, whether it is cooled by water or air. Normally all industries in heaters in cooling water is used for cooling the compressor in between intercooler, in between compression, that is for intercooler or for aftercooler. Mainly in offshore air cooling is used. In air cooling also induced draft or forced draft fans are used, which you will see in the next episode. Power transmission is whether it's how it is connected, whether it is directly connected or belt. Belt is also into flat type or V type is there. Then chain drive. And air cylinder type is also simplex or duplex or triplex. That based on this one. And nature of installation, whether it is portable or semi-fixed or fixed. Portable, which we can move easily with very low pressure and capacity also very low. Semi-fixed is a little larger than the portable, and this can be fixed in the truck, which is used for sandblasting and spray painting in the industry for all times. And it is also movable. Then the fixed one, which is used in all industries. Then the airborne application. Airborne applications are like pneumatic hand tools. Pneumatic hand tools with the pneumatic wrench and all, this is called pneumatic hand tools. And some drilling also it is used. And quarrying, mine prospecting, sandblasting, you might have seen in all industries before painting and then spray painting. Then the normal industrial application, which is the plant air and instrument air. And the plant air and instrument production we will see in the next episode.